Imagine a world where you can alleviate nausea, reduce muscle soreness, and even boost your immune system, all by incorporating one simple ingredient into your daily routine. That world exists, and it's called ginger. Curious to know what happens to your body when you consume ginger every day? Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey as we delve into the incredible effects of daily ginger consumption and unlock the secrets to optimal health. Don't miss out on our bonus ginger drink recipe at the end. It's the perfect way to incorporate this powerhouse ingredient into your daily routine. Ginger is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia and is now cultivated in many parts of the world. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices due to its unique flavor and potential health benefits. Gingerol is one of the primary bioactive compounds found in ginger. It is responsible for ginger's distinctive taste aroma and many of its medicinal properties. Have you ever wondered which form of ginger you should use? Which one has more benefits? Ginger comes in different forms, including fresh ginger root dried ginger powder, ginger capsules, and ginger extracts. Each form has its own advantages. Fresh ginger root contains the highest concentration of gingerol, the bioactive compound responsible for many of ginger's health benefits. It offers a potent and natural flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking and beverages. Dried ginger powder is more concentrated and convenient, making it suitable for spice blends and teas. Ginger capsules and extracts, on the other hand, provide a more concentrated dose of gingerol, making them convenient for those seeking targeted therapeutic effects. However, it's important to note that the processing and storage of ginger products can influence the concentration of bioactive compounds. Ultimately, the best form of ginger for you depends on your personal preferences, the specific health benefit you're targeting, and the availability of the products. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of ginger health benefits. Let's start with digestive health. Ginger has long been used to soothe indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. Its magical properties stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve gastric motility. Ginger has a reputation for alleviating digestive disorders like acid reflux, gastritis, and stomach ulcers. Its soothing properties calm the gastrointestinal tract, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your appreciation by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell. We also encourage you to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your feedback. Now let's pick up where we left off. Ginger holds remarkable anti-inflammatory effects. Packed with gingerols and shogol's powerful compounds that combat inflammation, ginger can be a game changer for conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and pesky muscle soreness. Need a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting? Ginger's got your back. Whether it's caused by pregnancy, chemotherapy, surgery, or motion sickness, ginger inhibits the signals responsible for triggering nausea in the brain, providing much-needed relief. Boosting your immune system is a piece of cake with ginger. Its antioxidant content helps protect your body from oxidative stress and free radicals, bolstering your immune defense and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But wait, there's more. Ginger promotes heart health. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clot formation, thus reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Ginger's antioxidant and anti-cancer properties are worth noting too. These powerful antioxidants shield your cells from free radical damage, and some studies even suggest that ginger could inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. However, further research is needed to fully understand ginger's potential in the fight against cancer. Diabetes management? Ginger might lend a helping hand. By increasing insulin sensitivity and improving glucose metabolism, ginger shows promise in lowering blood sugar levels. However, if you have diabetes, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels closely and consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into your routine. If weight management is on your mind, ginger might be your secret weapon. By boosting metabolism, curbing appetite, and enhancing fat-burning, ginger can complement your weight loss efforts. But remember, ginger alone isn't a magic solution. A balanced diet and regular exercise are essential for healthy weight management. Ginger doesn't stop there. Its expectorant properties make it a go-to for respiratory health. Whether you're battling a stubborn cough, cold, or bronchitis, ginger helps loosen mucus, soothe the airways, and provide much-needed relief. Did you know ginger may have brain-boosting benefits too? While more research is needed, some studies suggest that ginger could enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and promote overall brain health. Stay tuned as scientists continue to unravel the full extent of ginger's potential in boosting our brain power. Ladies, rejoice! Ginger may come to the rescue during that time of the month. Its marvelous properties can help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps by inhibiting inflammatory compounds and promoting muscle relaxation. Not only does ginger work wonders on the inside, but it can also enhance your skin health. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers can improve skin tone, reduce acne and blemishes, and offer relief from conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Some people also use ginger topically in skincare products to promote a healthy complexion. Now that we have established the why of adding ginger to your diet, let's tackle the big question: how much? How much of this root should you actually be consuming on a daily basis? When incorporating ginger into your daily routine, moderation is key. For general health benefits, aim for 3 to 4 grams of fresh ginger root per day. Whether you grate it into your meals, infuse it in hot water for a soothing tea, or blend it into smoothies and juices, the choice is yours. However, during pregnancy, it's best to limit ginger intake to a maximum of 1 gram per day from all sources. You might be wondering, what would happen if I consumed more? Taking more than 6 grams of ginger a day can potentially upset your tummy, causing issues like reflux, heartburn, and diarrhea. As you explore the benefits of ginger, it's crucial to remember that everyone's health needs are unique. As always, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. But wait, there's more. As a special bonus for our Health BFF viewers, we have an invigorating ginger drink recipe to share with you. Get ready to ignite your taste buds and revitalize your health. Green Ginger Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach or kale, leaves 1 small cucumber, peeled and chopped 1 green apple, cored and chopped 1 small piece of fresh ginger, grated about 1 teaspoon, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon, chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any preferred plant-based milk ice cubes. Optional instructions: place all the ingredients in a blender, blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. If desired, add ice cubes and blend again until you achieve the desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is packed with nutrient-dense ingredients. The green leafy vegetables provide fiber and essential vitamins, while ginger adds a spicy kick and may help boost metabolism. The lemon juice adds a refreshing tang and can aid in digestion. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and provide satiating fiber to help keep you feeling full. Let us know in the comments section if you have any ginger-infused recipes you use in your daily life. As you continue on your journey to optimal health, don't miss out on our latest video that's sure to captivate you. Discover the secrets to nerve regeneration and repair with the top 7 vitamins, a guide that could change your perspective on nerve health forever.